All right, we just got our picnic bench. When you get it out of the box, it's not assembled. You gotta assemble it. They give you everything you need, it's including the screws, the Allen wrench, a little wrench too. All right, so we're gonna put this together. All right, so two screws here on the side and one there with the nut. All right, same thing. And then now we're gonna put the benches. All right, we're gonna stand it up now. So I just completed the whole assembly kit. It took me about half an hour to 45 minutes because of the screws in the corner were very difficult. I need a hammer to adjust it. So when I open it up, you can lock them in place here, but you're gonna have to lock it up when you flip it too. So all right, there goes the seats. They're adjustable, they lift up. He has for an umbrella in the center. It's portable, but it's a little bulky because you also need to move these. Seats do come off. You can take them off if you want. You can fold them in, but these are a little large. This seat is waterproof, outdoor graded. It's large. You guys can see that. So perfect if you have a centerpiece umbrella, have your picnics outside, enjoy the day.